A side hustle is any type of job that you do that you make extra money outside of your 9 to 5 job. A lot of us do side hustle because we're forced to do side hustle because our 9 to 5 is not paying us enough to live a sustainable lifestyle. So we are forced to go take another job to supplement our income. In order for you to have a side hustle, you have to have a great level of discipline. We know that working a 9 to 5 can be very, very stressful and very, very hectic. So if someone say they have a side hustle, the discipline they have to put into after you leave that 9 to 5 to go do that extra income driven activity, it takes great skills. If you're very strategic about your side hustle and you have a plan, that side hustle that you have, it can replace your income. In my link below, I can show you how you can very strategically start a side hustle and eventually it's going to be your business where it doesn't replace your income. In my link below this video, check out this free challenge that they do to teach people how they can have a side hustle and learn a particular type of skills where you can have your own business. It's fantastic. And on this channel, I talk about side hustling your way out of your 9 to 5. Check the link below and I'll see you in my next video.